In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a compact AirGenius 4 air cleaner. So with the top of the box open, first of all we have a coupon for the pre-filters, and then we have it's a bit of an instruction manual, probably in multiple languages. And then underneath that, we have, you can see the top of the unit itself. So let me get it out of the box. So I've removed the unit from the box. So we have the air cleaner itself, the AirGenius 4, and they included an extra pre-filter, and then we have the manual, and then the coupon. Now this the AirGenius line also has a washable main filter. And I'm already familiar with the AirGenius. I have an AirGenius 5 that I've had for actually, I don't know, a couple of years. There we see it right there. It's running. And I have actually replaced the pre-filter once. And I have washed the permanent filter several times, and I've been impressed. I'm obviously impressed enough with this AirGenius 5 that I would go for the smaller version. I intend to put that in a different room. I have the AirGenius 5 in a fairly large open room. And so the AirGenius 4, I'm placing it in a smaller room. So I've plugged the unit in, and I'm going to be turning it on here for the first time. And it looks like it starts off in 2, and you got 3, 4, and 1 for sleep, I guess. So 2 is probably, that seems to be the default. Then you have the oscillation feature. And then you have the check filters. And that will come on after so many hours of operation. And then this button here is the sleep timer. So you've got 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. And and then that just changes it so that it, it's either low light or the high light. So it's a very simple unit. As I say, I've been very happy with the AirGenius 5 that I've had for some time now. So that's why I went ahead and bought an AirGenius 4. So the AirGenius 4 sells, I bought it at local Target store. And it's about $119 before taxes.